In this video, I'm going to introduce you to how to create a Zscaler device. Once you are logged in into fabric.equinix.com, go to the Network Edge menu and select Create Virtual Device. As you can see, we now have Zscaler App Connector and Zscaler Private Service Edge under the list of devices. We'll go ahead and select Zscaler App Connector from the list of devices. Single device type is supported for this connection. We then select the device location, choose your billing account, and click on the next button. We will now enter the device details, select the connectivity as without Equinix public IP address, and select licensing as bring your own license. Select the device resources, software package, and software version. Next, enter the device details and select the interfaces and add emails for receiving the device status notifications, and then select the term length and click Next. Here we'll define distinct user credentials for user accessing virtual device via SSH or HTTPS based console access, and then select the SSH RSA public keys. Now we'll review and accept the order terms, and then we can click Create Virtual Device. Our Zscaler App Connector device is now being provisioned. We will follow the same flow for creating a Zscaler Private Service Edge device. That completes this demo. Thanks for watching.